Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Okay guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install. So let's watch and learn how to do it. Install and download full version of Chimera Tools. Okay. First of all, we will go to our Chrome browser. After searching, you will show this website on the top of the result, chimeratools.com. Open this website. Open this. Okay. Chimera Tool, the industry-leading service software for mobile phone. Okay, this is the industrial using software for your mobile phone. It supports many models of 10,000 plus models of mobile. This software supports 10,000 plus models of mobile phones. Okay, unlock, ER, F for remove, IME repair, SP change, patch sort, read code, CSC change, Huawei ID remove, and many more. Okay, boost your service and increase your revenue with easy to use and trustworthy solution. Chimera offers an even increased range of function, making sure this is only service software you will ever need. Okay, here are the features of the Chimera tool. You can see the features of Chimera tool here. I will open this in new tab. Okay, Chimera latest and greatest update. Latest update is on 18th of November 2022. The latest version is 34.02.1225. Easy to use, always up to date. Chimera is your user-friendly all-in-one tool that keeps improving to support all your needs. Professional support, you can contact to support center of Chimera website here. Okay, up-to-date user guides. You will be up-to-dated by user guide preferences of this website's owner. Chimera history, vision and mission. Okay, we are going to see the features of Chimera tools. Okay, all you need is Chimera and a USB cable to get to work. Okay, requires little to no integration, no extra hard work needed. Simply download Chimera and you are set. Okay, it's very easy to use for your devices, for your all phones. So with our built-in driver manager that support most known brands, you don't have to worry about driver hunting or additional software installation. What can you do with Chimera? Let's take a look at our most service function. So these are the feature and function and capabilities of Chimera tool software. Repair IME. It will repair your IME. Repair Mac. It will repair your Mac. Reset FRP lock, FRP remove, patch certificate, Huawei factory mod, Huawei USB COM 1.0 MTK, boot room mode, EDL mode, fast boot. Okay, these are the features and capabilities of Chimera tool. Network factory reset, read codes online, unlock, relock, bootloader, SV chain. So these are the function and features. So, and of course, there are too many other function and specification function to see it, but there are there are too many extra functions you can see here. Auto detect, auto tune on, backup phone, get bootloader unlock, bypass remover, carrier relock. These are the hundreds of functions you can see here. So these are the features of the Chimera tool. Okay, we are going to download it. So we have read the function. Download the Chimera tool installer for our PC, for our phone. Okay, download it here. This is the installer of Chimera tool. Yes, Chimera tool download. The latest version is on 18 November 2022. That version is 34.02.1225. The installer size is 7.60 MB and update size is 43.97, 44 MB. Okay, supported operating system. You can see here the operating system Chimera Tools supported are Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and Windows 10 by 32 and 44 bit by 32 and 44 bits. Languages English, Spanish. These are the languages the Chimera tool can support. Driver download. You can download the driver here and installer here. So we are going to download our installer for Chimera tools from this button. Okay. Variant history, release notes, changelog, and variant history of Chimera tools. These are the release change logs of Chimera tools. Folder variants. Okay, these are the folder variants. So download Chimera tool installer. We are going to download it from this website. This is the installer for Chimera tool software. After this, you will run it and install in your PC. After this, setup will automatically install and download from this website. Okay, so I'm going to save it. Installer has been saved and yes, show in folder. I'm going to see here is the installer is saved. Show in folder. Installer is in desktop. So we are going to run it. Open run as administrator. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, I want to allow this app. This is installed for Chimera Tool, so it will install the full setup of Chimera Tool. Automatically install full version of software. It's working. Let's wait for it. Yes, I agree to this. User agree to this. Next, full install or custom install. I'm going to install full version. So installing this software is install. You can see the progress here. Smart car here. So guys, in this way you can download and install full version of Chimera Tools software into your PC. Okay. Thank you for watching my video and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much. This is the progress of installing the driver. So it's installing. By the way, thank you so much for watching my video. Okay, please subscribe to my channel.